Alright, what's going on, y'all? Another day, another dollar. We on the way to go look at a house in Decatur. And we're gonna do a quick walkthrough and shoot a little bit of video footage. And we'll bring that video to you on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube page. But anyhow, we're about to head out. So catch you when we get there. We're at. If you have a property that you want to get rid of, you can give us a call. We'll do the same for you. 404-997-3555. Or you can check us out online, ridebuyscash.com. Ride J, Ride Buys Cash, Get Paid Network checking in. So we've just pulled up to this Decatur property. What zip code is this? 30032. So this is a hot zip code out here in Metro Atlanta. This is actually in Decatur, but this is a hot zip code. We just pulled up to the property, so we're waiting on some people so we can get on the inside and take a look and see what we got. And we're gonna have some video footage coming soon. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you're already watching this on YouTube, then keep watching. You're gonna see the house in a second. Alright, so we're at the property, and we have a surprise guest, a six-figure real estate wholesaler. He just pulled up. But anyhow, so we're about to go inside and take a look. Alright, so we gotta put some gloves on because it's still coronavirus season. Yeah, we got some gloves. Happened to come up on some gloves today, but mask is a whole nother thing.
Yeah, I've had masks since because of what I do when I'm around certain areas and so on. Paint and what have you, from blowing my yard. I got some, but because I don't want to lose them, so I'll grab one when I leave. You can see a lot of work went on in this neighborhood.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
And I bet you I know who did most of it. A guy named Eric Schumann. This is Eric's spot. You might be interested in this one. This is another one we got. We just got this one under contract.
So we're over here at the property, and looks like a pretty good one. We're gonna head inside now. headed in this one now. So what you see is a whole bunch of holes because someone came through trying to get the copper. They most likely got it. That's a big ass window.
That must be the master. Just a bedroom with a bath. Just a bedroom. So it's 2 bedrooms. Full bath over here. Full bath, a bedroom here.
And that's the bath.
That's one of them. It's a bathroom in the master also.
Okay. I didn't go this way. So that's one of the bedrooms.
What I like about it is it already has an open floor plan. That makes that's a permit that don't have to be pulled.
I was about to say less work that has to be done.
There's a full bath over here. This bathroom actually exits out to the backyard. It's a sliding glass door. I've never seen a sliding glass door in the bathroom.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's different.
Galvanized plumbing. Let me give Kelsey a call, see if he's in the area. Tell him to head this way while I start this video. He might like something like this. He might not.
That had to be before it got locked down.
Hey man, what you up to?
I'm gonna take y'all away from that call because y'all don't need to know who all the connects are. Oh, did he open the other door? I think it's a nice looking house. I think it's a nice looking deal. If you know anybody who's interested in property over here, maybe they want to sell the property over here, maybe we should talk. See the area, it's a nice area. It's definitely a nice area. See that? Quiet.
talking. Better bust the way you talk to my client, homie, start walking. Wait a minute, will a nigga really get it if I go off? I gotta prove it to him. I think I'm Big Meat, Larry Hoover, I'm trying to eat.